Hi, welcome to the Salesforce demo session 2. In this demo, we are going to see how to create a workflow and validation rule. This is my developer account. In this developer account, I go for setup and I'm going to choose my object and which object I'm going to use for validation rule. And I'm going to use validation rule for this vendor object. In this object, we have an option for creating a validation rule for this object. Click New. Vendor validation. Description as per your thing. I'm going to validate which field. I'm going to choose that field. Company. I'm going to write the formula for that field. I'm going to check if that field is blank. If that company field is blank, I'm going to write the error is in the field. That error message I need to display on that company field, near the company field. Save. Now I'm going to check that the validation, how it works. I'm going to create a one record for vendor. I'm going for vendor object. I'm going to new record for vendors. Vendor name. I'm going to leave this company field as blank. If I try to save, which means it shows the error, please fill the field. So I have write the validation rule for this company field for the vendor object. So if I press the blank field, it shows the error, please fill the field. So I am filling. Now it's saved. And this is the uses of the validation in Salesforce. And next I'm going to explain how to create the workflow in Salesforce. Normally workflow have various options. You go to create and workflow and approval process is there. These are the workflow rules. If you click the workflow rule, continue those messages. I'm going to create a workflow rule. I'm going to select the object, which object I'm going to create a rule. Select the object. Next. Rule. and my workflow is created and created every time it's edited and created anytime it's edited subsequently meet criteria. I'm going to choose these options because every time my record is going to edited, this workflow triggers to me. Check the status equals to closed. Save and next. Normally workflow has so many actions. We can email alert action, field update, outbound message, and select existing actions. I'm going to create a new field update. Done. I have created the workflow rule. Finally, I created a workflow rule and also I activated my workflow. The meaning of my workflow is whenever the status is closed, my workflow field update action triggers and my company text will be null. Whenever I click the status as closed, the company field text should be null. So I'm going to check whether it is how it works in the object. I'm going to select, I'm going to edit, I'm going to edit and I'm changed my status as closed and I'm save. As per my workflow rule, whenever I status is changed as closed, my company field as be as empty. So my workflow and validation is worked fine. I hope this is useful to you. Thank you.